Okay, this is task 13. And again, this is one that you might not be able to do because you don't have a student response, but you can see how to do it when you do get student responses. So this is if you wanted to highlight a particular exemplar. So if you have it so that the students can respond to each other, what we're going to practice doing is starring it. So first step, go to the 2 truths and 1 lie topic. So we're going to go back into my grid and we're going to go to my practice grid. And we're going to scroll down to my 2 truths and a lie. And we're going to find a student response. So we're going to pretend that I am my own student. I have glasses on. I look different. It's like Clark Kent and Superman. So here's my student. I'm not going to re-listen to it because I've listened to it and I'm not going to make you do that. But let's pretend that I listened to this and I thought to myself, oh, this is exactly what I want my other students to hear. It's a great exemplar, or I want this to be the first one that they hear. Because what happens when I star this up here in the feature response, when I star that, it's going to be the first thing that pops up in my grid. Okay, so since we started, I can get back out of here. Now, it's hard to tell that it's the first one, but you can see that it's starred over here, and it has this like yellow bar around it. So if my students had a bunch of videos up here, this would be the first one that popped up, and this would draw their attention to it. Or I could provide directions that said, please make sure you watch the featured one or the starred one first. So as I said, the featured response will show up first on your grid. This is the end of task 13.